Hey everyone, want to check the health of your NVMe SSD using CrystalDiskInfo? NVMe solid-state drives offer excellent speed and performance, but like any storage device, they should be monitored regularly to help detect potential problems before data loss occurs. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to check NVMe SSD health with CrystalDiskInfo step by step, so let's get started. First, launch CrystalDiskInfo from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. The application will automatically scan and display all supported storage devices, including compatible NVMe SSDs. If your computer has multiple drives installed, select your NVMe SSD from the drive list. Make sure you've chosen the correct drive before reviewing its health information. Now look at the health status displayed near the top of the window. Labels such as good, caution, or bad provide a quick overview of your NVMe SSD's overall condition. If you see a warning status, back up your important files as soon as possible. Next, check your NVMe SSD's current operating temperature. NVMe drives can become warmer than SATA SSDs during heavy workloads, so monitoring temperature helps you identify potential cooling issues. Scroll down to review the smart information reported by your NVMe SSD. Depending on the drive model, you'll see values such as percentage used, data units read, data units written, power on hours, power cycles, and available spare. Continue checking your NVMe SSD health regularly, especially if it stores your operating system or important files. Routine monitoring can help you detect early warning signs and prepare backups before hardware issues become serious. And that's how to check NVMe SSD health with CrystalDiskInfo. By monitoring your drive's health status, temperature, and smart information, you can keep your NVMe SSD performing reliably and reduce the risk of unexpected data loss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.